this is Gordon Clark of Toe of Animation Productions, and I have a new cat.
Or maybe 5.
Because tonight, it was eating my spaghetti. That's it. Yes, that scared me too. Come here, kitty. There's the cat. Now let's try to get it. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here. This is hopeless. Because you do not deserve to see my fatness. Can I sort of, go like this and just lift you off the ground? Yes, I can. Hello, you're fine. You're not gonna die or anything. I'm not going to strangle you because it would look like animal cruelty, even though it's most clearly not. Oy, atrocity. No, Zeke tolerates it just because he has to. Under the bookshelf. In plain sight. Death. Yeah, I've got a lot of new pets lately. I had to do that because I messed up and they said that all of my friends say the cat is a death omen. Now, why do we call it the cat of death? Well, it's because... well, it's... death. Because tonight, she was eating my spaghetti. It only has its back claws. Yep, okay, let me get down. You're okay. You go.